Hi angels, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing as well as a bag switch. So I've been using my Geiger Southbank Tote right here. I've been using my Geiger Southbank Tote as my work bag, and I want to switch out and I have a new bag that I'm going to be unboxing. So join me, stick with me here on my channel, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's do this bag switch. I feel like you're a little bit far away from me, so I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer. Let's get started. Okay, you girls, so I'm back. So this is my current bag, the Geiger Southbank Tote. I love this bag. I really wish that I love this feature on the bottom of the bag. You only get to see it at the bottom of the bag. My bag is really filled right now with items from work. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the items and we'll talk about them as I put them into my new bag. So basically, I'll just be switching over the same items from this bag into my new, it's a Marc Jacobs tote bag. I carry my Wrong DeVoe planner in basically all my bags. I love these planners and I just love all the different art designs and graphic designs in these Wrong DeVoe planners. So I love all the images of the beautiful girls, and I'm going to be using this in my new tote bag. Next, I have a few Bath & Body Works products that was in the Bath & Body Gingham line, the Gingham collection. So I picked up the heart from the Gingham collection. And this is such a cute little accessory, a carry-all for your bag. And then I had the matching makeup organizer case right here. I picked up the little pocket for the hand sanitizer. And this is from the Gingham collection as well. It looks so cute with all the little matching pieces. Looks so cute together, and I love this. It even has a little light on it, so it has a little light on it for safety, and then it has the key that you can use to, you know, go ahead when you're pressing the keypads at the ATM or pumping your gas. And then it has a whistle for safety as well, and then of course for your hand sanitizer, the little pocket pack right there. So I'm going to bring that with me. Here are the other accessories that came along with it, and I'm using this for coins, and I had pens in here, so I'm going to go ahead and probably put some more pens in there. Pure Sugar perfume. It's just a fragrance mist, so I have that with me as well. I have some pens in my Coach case right here. I just have a bunch of writing pens for work in here. So I have a bunch of pens in there. And then I have my Coach eyeglass case that comes with me in every bag. Other than that, I think I have a lotion down in here. I had a Nivea lotion down in there, and that's everything. That's everything that was in my Southbank tote. Now I did have, I don't know why, I just felt like leaving the dust cover in there. So I had the dust cover down in the bottom, and here is the dust cover, the Geiger dust cover. So I had the bottom of the bag still lined with the dust cover, and this is what the bottom of the bag looks like. Here's what the bottom of the bag looks like on the interior. This Geiger Southbank tote also has like a glitter shimmer in it. Can you see that? Can you see? I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up the like little iridescent glitter shimmer in it. It's so translucent, and it's like a jelly bag for Geiger. And you guys know I've just been on my jelly thing this year. So I love this one. I love the labeling branding right there with that iridescent pink. That's so pretty. And the best feature that I love on this bag is the little clochette that's hanging, has the eagle head on it right there on the little clochette fob. The fob that's hanging has the eagle head on it. It's so cute. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah. And then of course the lovely feature at the bottom. This is the large size Southbank tote. This is the really big one. And this was great for me to use at work. I could carry everything. The good thing about this bag also is that it has a back pocket on the back. So it does have a flat back pocket that you could go ahead and slide things in. And it also has a zipper closure. So it's not just an open mouth tote. You do get that zipper closure where you can zip and secure the bag. And then the zipper is trimmed in pink iridescent. That's so pretty. That pink iridescent, the same pink iridescent that the front label has right here. It has the same pink iridescent right there on the zipper trim. So this Southbank large tote was really helpful for me. It really worked out good for me at work this week, you guys. So now we have the new bag right here. And I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the new bag that I'll be switching all these items over to right here. It's just a simple Marc Jacobs tote, you guys. I went ahead and picked up one. I want to add another one to my collection. And here she is. Here she is right here. I got her from Von Mar. And I picked up the mesh tote in pink. So cute. So this is the mesh tote in pink. And I love it. It's so cute. I picked it up from Von Mar. And this is going to be an easy bag switch because, I mean, I'm basically carrying all the same items in my bag. So the first thing is I have my receipt from Von Mar right there. And they had her just in the Von Mar plastic bag. She's so cute. This is a great size. It's not too big and it's not too small. It's a great size tote. So what's really good is that it came with the dust bag. I absolutely love the Marc Jacobs monogram dust cover dust bags. I love this print from Marc Jacobs. So she came with her dust bag. And of course she has her lovely strap right here. Let me go ahead and start unwrapping her. Take that off. This is gonna be a fun carry at work. Just to have a pink girly tote bag at work. Let's go ahead and take that off. Her tag right here. Okay, she has the Marc Jacobs in the back right there. Let's go ahead and, yeah, no, I'm gonna take the cardboard out, you guys. Might as well use her as a mesh bag. That's her purpose. So let's go ahead and take the cardboards out. Oh, this is so cute. And it has like a foam right here. This material feels like polyurethane foam or something. It's such a cute material for the pocket. Okay, I was able to get it out. Yeah, it's gonna look so cute. Actually, it looks really nice. And the pocket actually gives you a little security back there. You can't see all the way through from the back side, and on the front side you can see a little bit, but that's okay. Let's go ahead and pack this baby up. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and put in is my Happy Planner by Ron DeVoe. And if I want to, I can leave that in the front of the bag. That'll help give me some security where you won't see what's in there if I leave that in the front. Right now we're going to put it towards the back, however. And then I have my Bath and Body bag right here. I have a bunch of stuff in here, you guys. This might be TMI, but I have a bunch of stuff in here. I have a charger, another hand sanitizer, some elastic bands for my hair, some medication. So all of that is packed up in here. And this pouch is going to fit in here perfectly. So that pouch fits in there perfectly for my bag right there. And I may end up leaving this one at home. It might be too overpacked because this is just a small size tote. So I may end up leaving this one at home. Let me see if I can put her in there or if I'm going to leave her at home. Maybe I could put her sideways in there. Okay, she does fit, but I don't like how it's bulging the bag out. So actually, I'm going to take out the items out of this and leave the heart at home. The only other thing that I will put in there is this is my Coach case, and I want to go ahead and put the pens in there. Put that standing. Of course, I need my glasses, so I'm gonna go ahead and put my glasses in there on the side like that. It's holding a lot. Actually, that one case will give me the privacy that I need. The Bath and Body makeup case gives me the privacy that I need where you can't see everything in there. Next, I have my Pure Sugar perfume. That's gonna come with me. Okay, and the last couple of items will be the little coin case by Bath and Body, and I'll bring this along with me as well. And then, of course, the hand sanitizer. I'm gonna go ahead and toss that in there. So this is what everything looks like in my bag. This is what everything looks like, you guys. It's filled with everything. This little Marc Jacobs mesh tote is so cute. And this is what the bottom looks like. And I have everything that I need for work. And I can go ahead and add my strap. So here she is with her strap, and she's all set to go. So thank you girls for joining me for the switch from my Geiger Southbank Tote to the tote bag by Marc Jacobs in the pink mesh. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more fun videos. I love you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video.